Okay, guys, we are going to look at the guided practice round 2 for Tuesday, January 2nd, 2018. We just did a little bit of work with circles, and we're going to continue that today. So let's take a look at this problem. Imani buys a circular platter. Make sure I have my pen here. Great. Imani buys a circular platter that is advertised as having 380 square inches of space for food. What does that mean? That's my area. I've been given the area. What is the approximate distance from the center to the edge of the platter? Well, what is that asking me for? When I have a circle and I'm going from the center to the edge, that's my radius. So this problem is asking me to find the radius of this circle, and I've been given the area. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of backwards work. I'm going to write my formula for area. Area is equal to pi r squared. And I'm going to fill in the information that I know. Okay, so I know my key info, right? So I know that my area is equal to 380 inches squared, okay? And I know my formula for area. So I'm going to go 380 is equal to pi r squared. Oh boy, what do I do? Because I'm not really sure. Why did the pi disappear? Okay. So what I need to do is I actually need to divide both sides of this equation by pi. And because I don't have access to a calculator, just because this lesson is a calculator-free lesson, I'm going to use 3.14. It's also not asking me to solve in terms of pi. So I'm going to do 380 divided by 3.14. Okay, so 380, 3.14. I go boop, boop, and then I go boop, boop, and then the zeros. If you need a review on how to long divide with decimals, I'm not going to do that here. That's not what we're learning today, but please let me know so we can make sure that we do that review. So when I do this calculation, I have 380 divided by 3.14. So 3 is going to go in here 121.019 blah, 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 blah times. I've been asked for the approximate distance. And so that's why I'm not going to go too far here with my decimals. So I'm going to look at 121. All right. So now I have 121.19 blah, 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 blah is equal to the radius squared. So I have to find my radius. And in order to find the radius, I need to find the square root of 121.19. I'm going to forget about this here because I am being asked an approximate. And I know that 121, square root of 121 is 11 because 11 squared is 121. So my approximate radius here is going to be 11 inches. Okay, so I have about 11 inches from center to edge. That's my answer. I want to do, and I'm just going to kind of make one up on the fly. I want to do another problem here where you're supposed to find the radius from a given area, okay? So we're just going to do that together. So let's find the radius if I'm given the area of a circle. Excuse me. Let me think of a number that's not going to be too crazy for us. Okay, so let's say my area is 154 inches squared, and I want to find the radius. Okay, so I'm going to write my formula. Area equals pi times the radius squared. I'm going to fill in the information that I know. I have 154 inches is equal to, and right here I'll put 3.14 times the radius squared. All right, so now I have to solve an equation, reverse, order of operations, inverse operations here. I'm going to divide both sides by 3.14 divided by 3.14. Excuse me. Again, if you are struggling with long division with decimals, talk to me about that, and I could possibly make a review video of that if enough of you guys say that you need it. So I have 154 divided by 3 and 1/4. And again, I'm going to come up with this like crazy number, but I'm being asked, I'm going to go for approximate. So it's 49.044, and then it goes on and on and on, okay, is equal to r squared. So again, I need to find the square root, and that's my little symbol, of both sides in order to find the radius. The square root of 49.0444444 is approximately 7. Okay, 7 times 7 is 49. So I'm going to say 7 is the approximate of my radius. And just so as a quick review, this is equals and this is approximately. So that's why I'm doing that swivelly equal sign. Okay, so that's it for part 2 of this video for the guided practice section 2 from Tuesday. I hope you guys have an awesome evening. Again, remember, make sure that your notes are my notes. You never know when I'm going to do a notebook quiz, and I will see you tomorrow.